हेलो.
Sir, my name is Ashwin. I think my real problem is I couldn't crack the mains.
How many guys have the same issue which Ashwin has? Just raise your hand, please. That you are able to clear the prelims exam but not the mains. Please raise your hand, please. Okay. So, what do you think the main reason of failure in mains? What you especially think? Especially, I want to know from you.
So I think stress is.
Stress is the biggest reason. Anything from the girls? Can anyone tell? What's the main reason of failure in mains? You can tell without mic also. आपको क्या लगता है क्यों मेंस में आप पीछे रह जाते हैं? One reason I got to answer is stress. See, there is a different thing. There was my student, okay, she was brilliant at GS, she was brilliant at maths, and she was brilliant at everything. If I and she used to give the mock together, she always took an edge of 10 marks after me. She always used to score 10 marks more than me. And being my student, she used to score 10 marks more than me. But when we go for the exams, go for the exams at the same center, because at the time of teaching, I was preparing for government exams also. I was one side I was preparing, one side I was giving the government exam. So we both went for the CGL paper, and luckily we both were having the center at same place. So at the exam center I was very cool, I was relaxed. ठीक है, टेंशन नहीं है, पैसा तो आ रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है टीचिंग से, नहीं भी होगा तो क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. This was my mindset कि I have a backup in my account from the teaching and I don't have to worry for that. I can afford an extra attempt. But what was the case with that student? She was having, अगर ये पेपर नहीं हुआ तो घर वाले शादी करा देंगे. So she was having a fear about the marriage. She was having the fear about the failure. And that fear was the main point, the main reason of a failure. There was a different two mindset at paper, at the center. When I entered the examination hall, I was like, नहीं गया कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, नहीं हुआ कोई इशू की बात नहीं है. I am going to have the second attempt. When she entered the examination hall, her hand started shivering. And that in that shivering, she dropped her admit card, she dropped her Aadhaar card, and she was just helpless. Where is my Aadhaar card? Where is my that? Where is my that? And just before the 10 minutes of the examination, somehow she managed, she find the Aadhaar card and everything. She went to the seat. She started taking a plenty of water, drinking, to just calm herself and all. And after that, when the mock test started, she was totally blank. The questions, the answers that she was knowing, she was not able to click those answers because of the anxiety, because of the stress she was having in the examination. That what happened in single paper CGL, that same happened in CHSL, that same happened in RRB papers, and from the last 5 years, she has not cleared any government exam. I used to tell a lot of things. I used to manage a lot of things. I used to advise a lot of things. But still, that nervousness dominates every time. The same girl at the institute, when she gives the online mock test, she score rank 1 to 10, in between rank 1 to 10. But the same girls, when goes to center, she is a failure. Just only a single reason, that is anxiety. That is the biggest enemy. If you will fear about the exam, if you will fear about ki, if I am not going to crack the exam, then I will be helpless, I will be unemployed, I will be this, I will be that, then you will start diving into a circle in which you are going to drown yourself. Don't go for it. Be a relaxed mind. This is only a job, this is not your life. If you're not going to take it, you will do something better in your life. But this is not everything that you're pursuing for. Okay? So take exams lightly, because as thing as the girls and the boys take it seriously, and when that doesn't happen, you start going into nervousness, you start going into anxiety, and that's the bigger reason of the failures for the upcoming exams also. So don't take it so much seriously. नहीं हुआ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, देखेंगे. But यही सब कुछ है, ये सत्य नहीं है. Okay? So have that mindset, then you can crack any exams.
Okay, thank you, sir.
आप पढ़ते रहिए, आपके हर कदम पर हम आपके साथ में हैं और कहीं पर भी हम आपका साथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे। आपको किसी और चीज की भी आवश्यकता है तो वीडियो के कमेंट बॉक्स में आप वो भी बता दीजिए, वो भी मेरे भाई यहां पर पूरा हो जाएगा। वीडियो कैसी लगी जरूर बताइएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा मेरे भाई। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलेंगे अगली वीडियो में। जय हिंद भाई, धन्यवाद।